for this long-term project, we are using frog mating calls as an indicator of the habitat zonation or the ecological makeup or the health of our Barataria-Terrebonne National Estuary. So, can frog mating calls actually help us classify the ecology of our freshwater versus our brackish marsh systems? So for some background, frog call surveys were established by the North American Amphibian Monitoring Program under the USGS in order to provide strong long-term evidence of frog and toad populations on the state and the nation level. So our method for surveying is our unified protocol, which involves 3 sites, 3 runs per site per year, early spring, mid-spring, late spring, 10 stops per run, and 5 minutes at each stop to listen and identify the species, and also estimate calling densities, which gives us an idea of our population densities in the areas. So our sites are our freshwater swamps of Choctaw, and then 2 brackish marshes of Montague and Falgout Canal, which once supported cypress forest, but were disrupted by saltwater intrusion. So all of these areas are part of what we call an estuarian continuum, which allows us to classify these areas high up as a coastal ecosystem due to Louisiana's receding coast. So here are some results. These graphs show the number of frog species at each area for the last 10 years. And so as you can see, the freshwater areas are the blue bars of Choctaw, are higher species diversity than our red and gray bars in our brackish marshes, but there's a lot of fluctuation between each year. So a lot of frogs can not tolerate saline conditions at all, and these are like our tree frogs, and others can tolerate saline conditions but are found elsewhere, are our bullfrogs. And so we study the organismal behavior of these species in order to contribute to the long-term data of our coastal master plan for the National Estuary for the next 20 years. And so what you can take home from this is that our expectation is if the restoration projects are succeeding, then our marshes will become fresher and we will hear more frog species. But if not, then the marshes will be becoming saltier, there will be less to 0 frog species available. Thank you for your time.